Hello friends, welcome to my channel Significant Updates. This is complete educational channel, so please subscribe and support. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new updates from my channel. GATE Recruitment 2021 Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So you have to know some important information about this before applying for this. Indian Institute of Technology IIT Kharagpur has published notification for the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering 2022. So IIT Kharagpur is the organizing institute for the GATE 2022. Those candidates who are interested in the vacancy details and completed all eligibility criteria can read the notification and apply online. See the application fees details. All other categories 1500, SC, ST, PWD and female 750 rupees. During the extended period 25/9 to 1/10/2021. All other categories 2000 rupees. SC, ST, PWD female 1250. Payment mode only online, debit, credit or net banking. See the important dates about these examinations. Starting date for apply online 30/8/2021. Close date to submission online of application 24/9/2021. Extended closing date for submission of online application with late fees 1/10/2021. Last date for change of category, exam city, paper and additional fees will be applicable 12/11/2021. Date for admit cards available on website 3/1/2022. Date of GATE exam 5, 6, 12 and 13. Month of February 2022. Date of announcement of results on online application portal 17 March 2022. Qualification for this exam: bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or architecture, science or commerce, arts, MBBS, master's degree, arts, science, mathematics, statistics, computer applications. For more qualification details, refer the notification. See the pattern of examination. Examination mode is completely online, computer based test. Duration 3 hours. Number of subjects, papers 29. Sections, 2 sections is there: general aptitude and candidates selected subject. Type of questions: multiple choice questions, multiple select questions and numerical answer type. Questions for testing these abilities: recall, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis. Number of questions: 10 general aptitude plus 55 subject, total 65 questions. General aptitude 15 marks plus engineering mathematics 13 marks plus subject questions 72 marks, total 100 marks. Marking scheme: questions carry 1 mark and 2 marks. Negative marking: for a wrong answer, those in multiple choice questions, there will be negative marking. For 1 mark multiple choice questions, 1/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. Likewise, for 2 marks multiple choice questions, 2/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. Important dates related to GATE 2022. Closing date of regular online registration application process Friday 24th September 2021. End of extended period for online registration application with late fees Friday 1st October 2021. Last date for change of category, paper and examination city and additional fees will be applicable Friday 12th November 2021. Admit card will be available for download Monday 3rd January 2022. Application process. Application for GATE 2022 must be submitted online website. So I will give you this website link is available in video description. By paying necessary application fees, the photograph, signature, category certificate and dyslexic certificate wherever applicable must be uploaded during the online application. Candidate must enter the valid photo identity number specified in any one of the following IDs: Aadhaar, passport, PAN card, voter ID and driving license. The candidate who do not possess any of these identity cards may please procure any one of them before making the application. Candidate must produce the same original valid photo ID proof during the examination for verification purpose. In the absence of the same original valid photo ID proof, candidate will not be allowed to appear for GATE 2022 examination. Candidate applying to GATE are required to apply online only. There is no offline mode for this apply process. GATE applications in any other form are unauthorized and not sold.